Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best benchtop drill presses that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Antstone Mini Benchtop Drill Press. This is a unique offering with a robust 1200 watt motor and a maximum rotational speed of 2800 RPM. It's perfect for tackling tough DIY projects like drilling steel, wood, and plastic, and even serves as a dual-function tool for grinding tasks, thanks to its 90 degrees rotating drill head. The versatility is impressive, allowing you to switch between drilling and grinding seamlessly, making it ideal for compact workshops or DIY enthusiasts who need multifunctionality. In terms of design, the Antstone drill press is built with a durable metal construction. Weighing just under 20 pounds, its triple-handle control system ensures stability and precision during operation. The adjustable drilling height is a standout feature, allowing users to adapt to various workpiece sizes effortlessly. However, it's worth noting that the product doesn't have a listed price, making it hard to evaluate its value proposition fully. While this drill press excels in versatility and power, its limited reviews, only 2 ratings on Amazon with a 4.0 star rating, mean it hasn't been tested as extensively as other options on this list. This makes it a bit of a gamble for buyers seeking proven reliability. If you're looking for a lightweight, dual-function drill press for serious DIY tasks, this could be a great fit, but you may want to consider more established brands for peace of mind. Coming in at number 4 is the WEN 2.3 amp 8-inch 5-speed cast iron benchtop drill press, model 4206T. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list, priced at just $93.57. Despite its affordable price, it offers respectable features like a 2.3 amp induction motor, an 8-inch swing, and 5 adjustable speeds ranging from 750 to 3200 RPM, allowing you to tackle various materials with ease. The 6.5 by 6.5 inch adjustable work table that bevels up to 45 degrees adds versatility for angled drilling tasks. The build quality is solid, with a cast iron construction that provides durability and stability during operation. At just 32 pounds, it's lightweight enough for easy portability while maintaining a sturdy base. The onboard key storage is a thoughtful touch for convenience, while the drill press is compact and ideal for small workshops. It has some limitations, including a lower max spindle travel of 2 inches and a relatively basic design compared to pricier models. This is an excellent choice for hobbyists or those on a tight budget who need a reliable drill press for light to medium tasks like woodworking or drilling into soft metals. However, for those needing more advanced features or higher precision, other options on this list might better suit your needs. At number 3, we have another offering from WEN, the 4208T 2.3 amp 8-inch 5-speed cast iron benchtop drill press. Priced slightly higher than the 4206T, at $98.01, this model brings a few upgrades while maintaining affordability. It features a 2.3A motor with an 8-inch swing, a 2-inch spindle travel, and 5 speeds ranging from 740 to 3140 RPM. These specs make it versatile for different materials, from wood to metal. The adjustable work table, which bevels up to 45 degrees, enhances its flexibility for angled drilling tasks. The build quality is robust, with a cast iron construction that ensures durability. At 34.2 pounds, it offers a bit more heft than the 4206T, contributing to its stability during operation. The 360-degree swivel functionality is a welcome addition for improved maneuverability. However, the maximum drilling capacity for metal remains at 0.5 inches, which might not be sufficient for heavy-duty projects. This drill press is ideal for hobbyists and DIYers looking for an affordable yet capable tool for light to medium drilling tasks. While it shares many similarities with the 4206T, the slightly higher price offers marginal improvements in performance and usability. If you're looking for an entry-level drill press that doesn't break the bank, the 4208T is worth considering. At number 2, we have the SKIL 6.2 amp 10-inch 5-speed benchtop drill press, model DP9505-00. This mid-range option is priced at $199 and offers a significant step up in power and features. The 6.2A induction motor provides plenty of torque for drilling through wood, metal, and other materials. With 5 speeds ranging from 610 to 2800 RPM, it's versatile enough for a wide range of projects. A standout feature is the laser alignment system, which ensures precise drilling every time. Additionally, the built-in LED work light illuminates your workspace for enhanced visibility. The build quality is excellent, with a sturdy design that weighs 46.6 pounds, providing stability during operation. It also comes with an adjustable depth stop for consistent drilling and a tilting work surface that bevels up to 45 degrees for angled drilling tasks. The bump-off safety switch is a thoughtful addition for enhanced security, making it a great choice for workshops where safety is a priority. This drill press is ideal for serious DIYers and professionals who need a reliable and powerful tool for medium-duty tasks. While it's not the cheapest option, its advanced features and build quality justify the price. The only downside is its slightly bulkier design, which might be a concern for smaller workspaces. Overall, it's a great investment for those looking to balance power and precision. Finally, at number 1, we have the PROXXON Precision Bench Drill Press, model TBM 115. Priced at $252.79, this premium option is designed for precision and high-end performance. Its ability to drill micro holes down to 1/64 inch, 0.5 millimeter, makes it perfect for intricate projects like jewelry making, electronics work, or any task that requires extreme accuracy. With 3 spindle speeds, 1800, 4700, and 8500 RPM, it offers triple torque at lower speeds, making it versatile for various materials. The design is compact and lightweight, weighing just 8.29 pounds, yet it features a ribbed die-cast aluminum work table for durability. The quill diameter and throat depth are optimized for precision drilling, while the included micromote steel collet set enhances its versatility. However, its maximum power output is only 85 watts, which may limit its use for heavy-duty tasks. This drill press is ideal for professionals or hobbyists who prioritize precision over power. While it's the most expensive option on our list, its advanced features and niche capabilities justify the price for those who need unmatched accuracy. The only downside is its limited power, which makes it unsuitable for larger projects. If precision is your top priority, the PROXXON TBM 115 is undoubtedly the best choice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.